In today's video, we're going to cook the sausage egg McMuffin copycat on a George Foreman grill. Well, we're going to cook the turkey sausage on a George Foreman grill, and we're going to do the egg whites on a stove. So that's what we're going to do today for our breakfast. So come along as I make it.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're going to turn on the George Foreman grill so we can heat up. All it takes is about 3 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps push the videos in the algorithm. Subscribe and leave a comment. What's your favorite breakfast? Mine is the sausage McMuffin copycats. I like these better because they're healthier. And it helps me get ready for a workout like what I'm going to do today after I make this video. So everybody, write in the comments what your favorite breakfast is, bacon, whatever it is. You can write it in the comments. And now, let's continue with the video.
Later.
Okay, now that the timer is done, let's go get started. Okay, Alexa, turn off. Okay, now we're gonna break down the sausage into 4 patties. And we're gonna put them on the George Foreman grill for about 7 minutes, because that's all you need. It's a bit smaller, so I'll put that one in there. Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, starting now.
Okay. I'm gonna turn this fan on, but you guys are not gonna hear it because I'm gonna turn it on right now. So, see you on the other side.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna unplug the George Foreman grill. Alexa, turn off the timer. Okay. Next, we're gonna spray the pot or the saucer, which we're gonna make egg whites in. And we're just gonna add some egg whites, 2 and 3. That's all it takes. It's about that much egg whites. And let's see. We're gonna turn it on for 3 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
Meanwhile.
Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna turn off the burner, or now I'll just leave the burner off. Wait, we've got to check it. Alexa, turn off the timer. It's still kind of watery, so we're gonna flip it over and let it cook on the other side. Okay, I think another 3 minutes would work. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
1 eternity later.
Okay, I'm just gonna be checking the eggs right now. And it should be almost about done. I'm just flipping around to make sure it's cooked well. The timer should be going off soon. Alexa, what's my timer at?
You have 20 seconds left on your 3-minute timer.
Oh, okay. Alexa, turn off. I just had the burner turned on medium or medium high. You could do either one. But for the video, I did medium. That's why it took a little longer than usual. But now I have a English muffin and craft singles on a plate already. So I'm gonna move this to the side right now. So I can put this. Wait, egg. This should be cooled down a little. So put that right there. And there we go. There's going to be 2 patties. Then the egg whites is going to go. You can use as much egg whites on the sandwich as you want. Oh man, that's hot. Okay, that sandwich is done right there. Since there's a lot of extra, or there's a few patties left, or a couple patties left, I'm going to use that for breakfast tomorrow. And this is another Fit for 40 diet. So now it's time to bite in. Wait, I'll use this one. The cheese is still. Ugh. Okay, now I'm gonna bite into it. Whoa, the egg whites keep coming off. Okay, now that's a lot better. Okay, the egg whites and the sausage is done. So I'm gonna take a bite. Oh man, that's delicious. I probably had this for like months, maybe like almost a year. Like a couple of years ago, I had it probably 4 or 5 times a week. But you could give this a try. I just want to show you that you can cook sausage or turkey sausage on a George Foreman grill. And you can make add eggs or egg whites to your sandwich, whatever you prefer, whether you're on a diet or you just like eggs better. I'm just throwing eggs or egg whites because I have a yolk allergy. So you could give this a try. Keep eating healthy. I'm gonna keep making foods that I love, or even try food reaction videos. But if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. So everyone, only you can control your narrative. Everybody stay healthy.